First thing I'm going to do is cover a bowl in foil to prepare for an air-fried hobo dinner. All right, so I've already gotten started here. First layer is potatoes. Oiled them up with some olive oil, salt in my foil covered bowl. All right, I've added some asparagus and onion, bell pepper, and I'm going to sprinkle some Tonys on it now. Gonna let that go for another 5 minutes or so, maybe less. All right, I'm gonna add these mushrooms. And on top of that, I'm gonna add Worcestershire sauce. Give it a little moisture and flavor. Gonna add this Kinder all-purpose meat and veggie rub. You can use pretty much anything you would like in terms of flavor, but I'm gonna add that. Good layer of that on top. That meat, okay, I've patted it dry, and then I'm gonna add some oil to that, put it on in the next layer. We've got our venison cubed stew meat here. I'm gonna add it in for the last 3 minutes. It doesn't take long. So it's gonna go on top of what we've got already, the potatoes, asparagus, mushrooms, onion, and peppers. And you can make up your own veggie concoction. You can also do this in a cast iron skillet. So here we go. Got some good. Just gonna put it right over the top of that, and I'm gonna come back with about a minute left and add just some cheese to the top. We like cheese on ours. Again, you don't have to do that, but it's a way to go. All right, coming along pretty good here. I might let this go a little bit longer. Probably does need a good 5 minutes, but I'm gonna go ahead and add the cheese and let that start getting melted down in there real good. All right, so here we go. Got everything ready. Looks like everything's cooked up and good to go. I'm gonna lift it out. That looks really good. So this is our version of a hobo dinner using stewed deer meat. All right. Go. That Worcestershire's got a good little soupiness going. I like that. All right, we'll give it a shot.